Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be transforming myself into an ABG using the power of makeup and editing apps. If you want to know how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. I'm not really fully prepared for this video because, Amazon is taking super long to deliver their items right now. I was going to order like fake tattoos, but I just decided to edit them on. Sorry, my hair is like super puffy. I actually have on extensions and I didn't do my hair, so that's why it looks like so separated. But I will be doing my hair after the whole makeup process. I'm gonna put on contacts. I'm putting on these really bright contacts. I will put them on the screen. These are so gray. Oh my god, I haven't put on contacts like these in forever. I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. So I usually prefer to use Korean brands for foundations, but today I'm just gonna use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. And this shade is a little darker than what I would normally wear. I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in Cream. And then I'm gonna take my favorite powder, which is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking Setting Powder in Cupcake. And I'm just gonna pack powder under my eyes. I'm just going to apply this powder all over. And I love this powder. I always say this, but I love this powder because it just doesn't make my face dry and it makes it actually really soft. Now I'm gonna draw my eyebrows and I'm gonna use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade 4.5. So I drew my eyebrows like a little higher than how my actual eyebrows grow. As you can see, it's a little thicker too. I'm going to clean up my brows using concealer. Now I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. And I'm just gonna use this shade to contour my nose. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. I'm really proud of my brows actually. I'm gonna use the Tartelette in Bloom palette. First, I'm gonna take the shade Flower Child and I'm gonna go for like a little golden bronzy look. I'm just gonna take that all over the lids for the base shade, and then I'm also gonna take that same shade on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the shade Smarty Pants. Just place it on the lids like so. And then I'm gonna take that on the lower lash line again. And then I'm gonna take the shade Firecracker with my fingers and just apply it on my lids. And then I'm gonna take the shade Funny Girl, which is a shimmery gold shade, and just take that on the inner corners. And then I'm gonna take the shade Leader, which is a dark red brown shade, and then I'm gonna take that on the outer corners and also on the inner corners and the lower lash line. So I want this look to be a little bronzier, so I'm gonna add the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in burnished sienna, and I'm just gonna add this on the center of my lids. And I remember I used to use this so much during my high school days when I used to wear like really heavy makeup. I don't even know if this is an ABG makeup. Now I'm gonna get onto the eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Flypencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in Black Card. And then I'm also gonna take that on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the Cosmetics Illustrative Brush Tip Eyeliner and draw a wing. I'm gonna take the Firecracker shade again and then just smoke out my lower lash line a little more. So for the falsies, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Faux Lashes in Dame. Now for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara in Black on Black, and I'm just gonna apply that on the lower lashes. Now getting onto the contour, I'm gonna use the same palette and the same shade. I'm just gonna do like the really sharp contour, and then I'm gonna use the Becca Be a Light palette, and I'm gonna use the bronzer here and then just apply that where I just contoured and kind of bring it like inwards. I don't think I'm gonna use a blush, but I am going to use a highlighter, and I'm using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop, and I'm just gonna apply this on my cheekbones, my nose. For the lip liner, I'm just gonna use a nude one from Morphe called Bay, and I'm gonna overline my lip. I actually just ended up using the Colourpop Glossy Lip in Lesson Learned, and now I'm gonna add the Ultra Glossy Lip in ICU. Like just in the middle for that extra gloss. Okay, so I just finished up my hair, and I was trying to do like big curly waves, but apparently I'm really bad at doing waves. That is it for this ABG transformation. Now I'm gonna take a selfie. 너의